Most jeans worn in America aren't made in America, but these are. What's up guys? I'm Phil Adams with the marketing team here at Origin, and today we're gonna walk you through our entire jeans collection, starting with the newest introduction, our Heritage Cotton Jean. Before denim was fashion, it was function. The unofficial uniform of America, worn by ranchers, farmers, and blue-collar workers across multiple industries. They didn't just look rugged, they were rugged. These Heritage Cotton jeans take us back to those roots. Made 100% out of pure American-grown cotton in Tennessee and Texas. No frills, no shortcuts, no blends, just pure American cotton. The cut of these is a true, straight outseam. What that means for you is there's no taper, there's no twist, just a great classic silhouette going straight down the leg and over your boots. Just like all of our other Origin jeans, the Heritage Cotton Jean also has the shark fin back pockets, angled slightly out so you can easily access your contents. It also has the reverse yoke for body mapping. That's comfort for when you wear them so they look good. And they also have the triple felled inseam for that rugged durability. If the Heritage jeans were about grit and tradition, the Delta Flex denim is about performance, comfort, and mobility. These are the most comfortable jean you will wear. They're super lightweight, they have a ton of stretch, and they're incredibly breathable, so they're easy to wear all year round. Just like all of our other Origin jeans, you have the triple felled inseam, so you have that durability where you need it. Clean line on the outside. You have the shark fin back pockets for ergonomics, and you have that classic Origin reverse yoke for body mapping, which makes them extremely comfortable to wear. So with the Delta denim, you've got a lot of options. Multiple fits, tapered, relaxed, regular, to multiple washes, from a dark rinse that you see here to a light wash, and we even offer it in black denim. And now we come to the Maverick denim. This was formerly known as the work denim. So if you're looking for that work grade quality of the Heritage jean, but you want that comfort and mobility of the Delta, the Maverick denim is your go-to. You've got a triple felled outseam and triple felled inseam. Superior durability on both sides of the pant. You have the shark fin back pockets, just like the previous two, and the reverse yoke. The stretch in these aren't quite the same as the Delta, but you still have that stretch for that comfort and mobility. And you have 11.5 ounces of denim, so they're gonna take a beating. Just like all of our products here at Origin, these jeans are made 100% in America, on a 100% American supply chain. The cotton, the thread, the buttons, and the hands that made these products, all coming from America. When you wear these jeans, you're not just wearing another piece of apparel or denim. You're wearing a statement that says you support the American worker, that you support the American dream.